So, good day, ma'am. My name is Lawrence Dagsaan from BPA 2A. So, my assigned topic is about equipment and machinery. So, there are 7 fundamental aspects of my topic. So, the first is initial cost. So, initial cost includes the purchase price, shipping, installation, and any other cost necessary to bring the asset to an unstable state. So the second is depreciation. Equipment and machinery loss value over time due to wear and tear. Depreciation allocates the cost of the assets over its useful life. So, ang common method nila is straight line depreciation. So, equal niya siya sa expense each year. And then the declining balance is higher expense in early years. So, unit of production is based on the usage reliant. Then the third is maintenance and repairs. Regular maintenance costs are typically expensed in the period incurred, while significant repairs that extend the asset's life may be capitalized. So the fourth is disposal assets. While equipment or machinery is sold or disposed of, any gain or loss is calculated as the difference between the sale proceeds and the asset book value. So the cost minus accumulated depreciation. So the fifth is financial reporting. Equipment and machinery are reported on the balance sheet under non-current assets. Their accumulated depreciation is also showed, reducing the asset value. So the sixth is impairment. If the market value of the equipment falls below its book value, an impairment loss may need to be recognized. So the last is depreciation expense. So allocates the asset's cost over its useful life. Common method includes straight line, declining balance, and unit of production. So that's the end of my topic. Thank you.